Hi Taras, Taras woman, how are you? See, good traits and bad traits, love and romantic life. Astrology can tell you about a lot about a person. For instance, Taras women are stubborn, ambitious and patient. They cannot stand so surprises, so they prefer to stick to a routine. Here is, you know, right now you are going to know about everything about Taras woman. Coming to personal traits, if you Taurus woman, she is an earth sign ruled by the planet Venus, represented by the bull. This is because they are extremely stubborn. A Taurus woman isn't going to compromise on their beliefs. They are going to argue with anyone who tries to correct them. Taurus don't get along well with the authority figures because they hate being given rules. These zodiacs wants to make their own decisions. They don't care what others expect from them. There are leaders, the stubborn, there are everything. They're looking very beautiful. In their life, they are very, very looking beautiful. A Taurus woman, stubborn, or I told you, a Taurus woman is going to be compromise their belief. They're going to argue with anyone who tries to correct them. Taurus don't get along well with authority figures because they hate being given rules. Repeating why? Because this is a special quality of hers. The zodiac sign wants to make their own decisions. They don't care what the others expect from them. And one thing you have to remember while talking to her so carefully, they are actually, uh, very fascinating. Careful. Taurus women are homebodies, but would rather quietly work on project and or read a book with and socialize with strangers. Taurus aren't going to party every weekend. Being around crowds of people make them uncomfortable. They would rather have peace and quiet. These signs take a long time to open up to new people. Everyone they make friends. They want to hang out in their own homes, not in crowded restaurant spot. Coming to bad habits. Bad things. Taurus women aren't adventurous, spontaneous, or adaptable. They cannot stand change. Entering new, unknown situations terrifies them. They want to know what they are getting into ahead of time. Taurus as a planners, they are going to panic if plans are changed at the last second. The science needs to as much information as possible before agreeing into an out. If there are too many questions, they would rather stay home. Taurus women are selfish and self-absorbed. They only think about themselves. They're not thinking of others. So they can come across as cold and uncaring. This sign will always make the best decision for themselves without worrying about anyone around them. Plus, they won't think through their words before speaking. They end up saying mean things without considering how they will impact other persons. They value honesty, but their bluntness can backfire on them. Coming to till we talked about good bad traits. Right now, good traits, okay. Good are someone ambitious, reliable, and responsible. So once they set a goal for themselves, they follow through. They aren't going to give up and end their dreams. Stars are practical and use common sense, so they understand hard working is a requirement to reach success. However, Taurus tend to fall to an extreme to or other. Either they are putting in a lot of effort or they are acting crazy, lazy. They cannot fall on somewhere in the middle. Taurus women are gentle, kind, and loyal. It takes them a long time to open up to new people. However, once they make a friend, they consider them as a friend of our life. They won't want part of it because they grow attached. Sometimes this can be backfire because they will hesitate to walk away from someone who has wronged them. When a Taurus woman, you know, tend to cautious when it comes to love and relationship, when she isn't going to jump straight into a relationship without doing her research. She's going to take her time to get to know someone before she comes to them. Most of her relationships will start out as friendships. That way, Taurus can become comfortable around the person. They can make sure they aren't getting involved with someone sketchy. In life, Taurus women know exactly what they want. When they find someone who makes them happy, they aren't going to hold back their emotions. Taurus are shy at first, but they are romantic and sensitive once they get to know you. If they connect with someone special, they will go out for their way to do some sweet things for them. However, you will also expect sweet things in their return. They stand extremely high. Come into uh, romantic life. Three word is remove the romantic and put them there. You know that word. Taurus woman in okay love romantic life. I'm added. You can add the three words, but only then they are in a serious relationship. They aren't going to get naked in front of a stranger. They need to develop a strong emotional connection before they will even think about getting physical. However, even in a serious relationship, Taurus are shy and stubborn. They aren't going to agree to anything that makes them uncomfortable. They would rather stick to the basics than get adventurous. Taurus women are surprisingly romantic and sensual, but they are also traditional. They don't need anything elaborate in order to get into the mood. They will be happy with a home cooked meal and some compliments. As long as you treat them with respect and don't push their boundaries, then they are going to have a good time in the bedroom. They don't need anything complicated in order to feel fulfilled by their partner. So, how will be dating a Taurus woman? Taurus woman is searching for a stable, secure, committed relationship. Most Taurus wants to buy a house, getting married, and have a few children. One night stands, temporary feelings don't interest them. Taurus would much rather settle down with one person who understands them, makes them feel comfortable. They want to date their best friend. Anything else isn't good enough for them. However, Taurus women move extremely slow in relationships. They don't want to move too quickly, end up with regrets. You need to be patient if you are falling for a Taurus woman. If you pressure her, then she is going to run away. You need to respect her boundaries. If you're going to take her a while to agree to date, let alone. Taurus can stand change, so they need to know you are worthy the efforts. Trust with the Taurus women. Taurus women are possessive and jealous of their loved ones. Once they grow attached to someone, they are terrified of losing them. Taurus women won't happy if their partner flirts with someone else in front of them. If they get cheated on, they aren't going to forgive and forget. Taurus women hold grudges. When someone betrays them, they don't take it lightly. They take it very, very, very seriously, and that serious will be, long. They will remain angriest down the lines. Years passing by, the anger will be still there. Taurus women are honest and faithful. They would never dream of cheating on their partners. If they are tempted, they wouldn't be able to handle the uncertainty of dating the two people at the same time. Taurus aren't risk takers, they are practical, logical, and responsible. Taurus think with their heads. When you are dating a Taurus woman, there is no chance they are going to hurt you. So, how do you understand them? Taurus women. See, Taurus women want to pass down traditions from their parents to their children. They enjoy consistency and routine. Taurus aren't going to last in a relationship with an unpredictable sign who always wants to go a new adventure. They cannot stand surprises. So Taurus are going to become uncomfortable when they are thrust into a situation they weren't prepared to face. They can't push them out of their comfort zones, and you expect them to thank you for it. The most important thing to understand about Taurus woman is that she doesn't want to change. She is happy with her life exactly the way it is, and she needs you to understand it. If you try to convince her to behave differently, then she is going to pull away from you. You need to accept her exactly as she is. Otherwise, she won't belong in a relationship together. What she likes and dislikes. Taurus women are surprisingly shallow and materialistic. They want to have the fanciest cars, clothes and electronics, even though they couldn't care less about what the others did. They enjoy being surrounded by expensive, luxurious items. This means they might splurge instead of save their money. Taurus are normally responsible, but they are known to treat themselves every once in a while. Taurus women can't stand liars, cheaters, or thieves. They always tell the truth, even though it's hard to hear, and they expect others to return the favor. Taurus don't want to play guessing games. They are assumed others are being straightforward with them. If they find out someone who has been lying, then they might cutting them out of their life. Although Taurus hate change, they hate manipulators more. Taurus women behavior, if you are going to see, there are Taurus women and female are extremely stubborn. Some other point for others, males also stubborn persons. Okay, they aren't going to back down when they are getting into arguments with you. They will refuse to compromise because they assume they know best. Taurus women, they won't even consider the possibility that you are right. If you are going to date Taurus women, make sure you are ready to butt heads with them on a constant basis. Overall, Taurus women are one of the most hardworking signs of the zodiac. When they set their minds on something, when they set to mind to something, it's only a matter of time until they accomplish it. Taurus never give up on themselves. They aren't afraid to put in hard work. They will work on project day after day until it completes. It doesn't matter how long it takes. They are persistent. So this is about for long time journey we did make right now. Guys, thank you so much for being with me. Just lot of matters gathered here and take a place here. Just okay. I need a subscription. Thank you so much. And just listen only for fun. Thank you. This is our behavior, our character.